Here's how to change the Bixby button or Gemini button back to a power button on your Samsung phone. Now you can see on my Samsung phone, if I press and hold on the power or side button, you can see it pops up with Bixby or it pops up with Gemini. It doesn't use the power button or it doesn't pop up with the power options. To change that, all we're going to do is swipe up and open up our settings. Now, it does change depending on which phone you're at. So I would highly recommend, instead of just navigating to it, just tap on the search bar and we're going to just search for side button. And from here, you can see long press is set to Bixby, but I can just tap on that and I can choose, instead of Digital Assistant, aka Gemini or Bixby, the power off menu. Now, when I press and hold that power button, you can see it gives me the ability to power off or restart instead of Gemini or Bixby. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.